Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
If you have a relatively high GPM, over 5 GPM, your best options are gas tank water heater, solar water heater, if you can afford the high upfront cost or if you already have solar panels installed, the 14th of February 2017.
Let's help you make your mark.
After thorough evaluation, our team found the 5 best water heaters. Rheem Performance Water Heater, Bradford White TTW Water Heater, Rheem Performance Plus Water Heater, Rheem Professional Classic Water Heater, Rheem Performance Platinum Water Heater, the 29th of April 2020.
Take our lead.
Well, it depends on the issue. But for the most part, you should call a licensed plumber for all hot water heater problems. Our experts can repair your water heater and get the hot water flowing in your home again. 30 November 2016.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.